Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To request a White House tour, please contact your member of Congress. Contact information for all congressional offices can be found on congress.gov. Requests can be submitted up to 3 months in advance and no less than 21 days prior to the desired tour date.
Take our lead.
The Pentagon, located just outside Washington, D.C. in Arlington, Virginia, is the headquarters for the United States Department of Defense. It is open for official tours through the Pentagon Tours program. Pentagon tours must be reserved at least 14 days in advance and no more than 90 days in advance.
Take our lead.
If you're only going to visit here once, either because you're from out of the country and don't think you'll ever be back, you should plan to spend 5 to 7 days here. That amount of time will give you a chance to see and do most of what you really want and not feel like you missed out.
Take our lead.
Tours are scheduled on a first-come, first-served basis. Requests can be submitted up to 3 months in advance and no less than 21 days in advance. You are encouraged to submit your request as early as possible as a limited number of spaces are available. The White House tour is free of charge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.